Once there was a boy named Rohan. He lived in a small town with his mother and younger sister. His father had passed away when Rohan was only 10. Since then, life had been tough. Rohan's mother worked two jobs, cleaning houses in the morning and stitching clothes at night. Rohan watched her silently every day, tired but never complaining. Her hands were always busy and her eyes often tired, but her heart was full of love for her children. Rohan was an average student. He didn't wear branded clothes or have a smartphone like his classmates. They often mocked him, calling him the boy with nothing. But Rohan had one thing, a dream. He wanted to become a software engineer and build something that could change people's lives. But dreams don't come easy. Every evening after school, Rohan worked at a tea stall near the station. He cleaned tables, washed cups, and sometimes served tea. He earned a few rupees every day and gave them all to his mother. He never complained, but inside he carried a heavy heart. At school, he had no friends. He would sit alone and study quietly. The teachers liked him for his discipline, but no one really noticed him. One day, during lunch, a new student named Arav sat next to him. Arav had recently shifted from the city and didn't know anyone. Rohan offered to share his food, a simple roti and some salt. Arav looked at the food, surprised but accepted with a smile. That one moment started a friendship. Arav was rich, confident, and smart, but he never made Rohan feel small. Instead, he helped him understand difficult subjects. And in return, Rohan helped Arav see the value of small things, kindness, simplicity, and hard work. They started studying together. Slowly, Rohan's grades improved. He began to believe in himself again. Years passed. Rohan studied day and night. He didn't go to parties, didn't watch movies. He focused on his goal. When others slept, he stayed awake under a dim bulb, solving maths problem or learning to code from an old second-hand book. There were days he wanted to give up. When his shoes tore apart, he stitched them. When the power went out, he studied under street lights. When he was hungry, he drank water and kept studying. And finally, after years of silent struggle, the moment came. He cleared the entrance exam for a top engineering college. When the result came out, he didn't scream, didn't cry. He just walked to his mother and said, "Ma, I did it." She looked at him and hugged him tightly. That hug held all the pain, all the sacrifices, and all the love in the world. In college, life was different, but Rohan stayed the same. He studied, worked part time, and kept growing. Years later, he built an app that helped students from small towns access free study material. And guess who held him funding and promotion? Yes, Arav. He believed in Rohan's vision and became his first investor. Together, they turned a simple idea into a nationwide movement. Everyone started appreciating Rohan. The same boy who once didn't have money for books was now giving books to thousands. People started calling him the boy who chased light. But Rohan knew the truth. He didn't chase light, he created it, one small step at a time. What do we learn from this story? Success is not about luck or money, it's about never giving up, even when the world says you should. Moral of the story is hard work, patience, and belief in yourself can turn the darkest nights into the brightest mornings. Share with someone who needs it.